And I would say a huge round of applause for the Sergeant at Arms. Sergeant at Arms, basically, his duty to see everything is spick and span, and he has done it utmost. I would say that today, when he came onto the stage and he spoke about the theme and the word of the day, that is, humor lies in the ear of the listener, and the word of the day, wisecrack. He brought about enthusiasm, so much enthusiasm that I think that he connected very well with the audience. Kudos to you, Sergeant at Arms, Ankur-ji. Now, coming on to the presiding officer, the President, Prakash Francis, I would say, the calm and composed gentleman of to Bangalore Toastmaster Club. He comes over and there is instant connection with the audience. Don't you think so, friends?
Yes.
Yes. He comes in a very, very friendly way. He comes over to the stage and he speaks about fitness. And he's a fitness freak. He totally loves walking, and he spoke about the benefits of walking with giving examples of Abraham Lincoln, Mahatma Gandhiji, and even Steve Jobs. Even I didn't know, as a Toastmaster, that Steve Jobs, he conducted meetings during his walking sessions. I mean, that is a brilliant way where he gave examples so that we get connected, we get to know about the benefits of walking, other than losing weight. Now, moving on to the Secretary. A huge round of applause for the President. The Secretary, Mohammad Mujassim. He has always been told in the earlier sessions not to look directly at the audience and, memorize the whole script. So today he has done a brilliant job. He looked at the paper, he looked at the audience, and he looked even to the left side and the right side of the audience. So a huge round of applause from him. As an MC Mohammed, I would put you towards the end after the evaluation. Yes? Now, could we have the evaluator for Pramukh's speech, Abu Bakar Khan? Please come over.
Thank you, Payal. Fellow Toastmaster and dear guests, and Pramukh in particular. You are attending CC2. What I like most about your speech is your confidence. Once you came on the stage, you were like a solid rock. Because for a CC2, you are facing very easily, very calm, cool and composed. It was not like that you are giving a CCC. There was no saving, no motion in your body at all. It was quite a distant stop. The second one is transition. Once you started your story with one thing that there was a guide, he moved in the circle from start. Then again you are a mess. Then you come to find a grass. From the grass you started digging out. After that you find a stone. Then finally you find the water. So there was a smooth transition from each story to different story. The third point, the message, finding a new spring. That is all about a great leader. If you are a good leader, no matter what is the situation, what are the difficulties, what are the environment, you will try some solution that will work. This is not working, you will find what is the failure, what went wrong, again you plan and try for another one. At last, today or tomorrow, if you are trying, even like in Toastmaster, if you are trying to find your failure, somehow if you are able to find, this is my failure, if you start working on that, one day you will overcome it. Like Bhavna. And Mujassim is. So you can see both confident speaker. So it is a kind of leader in yourself. It is not like you are a leader in public or you are in joining any party. To deal with your personal life, you should be a great leader. You should be a great communicator. To imbibe or inculcate all such quality, you have to find all things from your failure and work on it. With your permission, one suggestion I can give to you. Once you came on the stage, before you standing or taking the stage properly, you started speaking. I think being a cricket freak, once you go on the crease, first you take the stance, proper stance, then give the signal, then you start your speak. Once you come on the dash, take proper stance, you are well settled, then you start speaking. I thought you are not even, your body was erected, you started speaking. I think take proper stance, then you start speaking. Second thing, your opening might have been a better one because it is a kind of inspirational one. You simply started that with some businessman people are following. But if you are going to start any inspirational speech, you can start with some question or some quotes so that you can grab the attention of the audience. So for 5 to 7 minutes, you can engage them. Like for your speech, you might have started like, there is always a ray of hope. What matter? What is the situation? Or something like any quotation that might have grabbed the attention of the audience. That would have been a far, far better speech. But Parmukh, you are a very good speaker and confident speaker. I hope you will do in your future speeches. All the best.